I have people who are engaged in the task from Ayurveda to nuclear science who are here, to listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Sir, Dosaha, what brings you here to listen to Prime Minister Narendra Modi?
I think this is the highest level summit. Our expectations very high. We know that a lot of in the bouquet of collaboration, there are a lot of items. I would like to highlight that obviously the bilateral relation in terms of trade. Soothing the trade affairs, which will be one of the important agenda, as I understand from the press. But as a nuclear field, I am a nuclear engineer, so I would see that the science and technology also take a leap, and some inputs comes at the higher level, so that the frontier areas where Russia is also working, we have a good collaboration in terms of further development of nuclear technology, space technology, and one more important thing which comes to my mind is the high-tech area, any high-tech area, whether it is IT, whether it is startup activities with this upcoming generation, that collaboration with the upcoming generation, in addition to traditional studies in the colleges, universities.
When you mention traditional studies, Ayurveda, how popular is Ayurveda here in Russia? Chakrapani ji, you're associated with it here.
Yes, Ayurveda is very famous here. I come to know about Ayurveda only from Russians. So there are 220 Ayurvedic shops in Moscow only. So all the Russians like Ayurveda very much here. They love Ayurveda, and there are a lot of Ayurvedic centers here. It's a very fast growing medicine in Russia. It's officially.
So tell me more about Russian interest, one in Indian culture, two in Indian medicine, because I believe there is a lot of curiosity to know more about Ayurveda and Ayurvedic cure.
Yes, because when I went to so many Russian doctors, when I go for Russian modern doctors, they question me about Ayurveda. They think every Indian is a doctor, they think every Indian knows Ayurveda. I told I do in Ayurvedic medicine, but not in directly in Ayurveda. So they are all very curious.